Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to use text to column in Excel. Sometime what happened, we got these kind of data. As you can see here, I have some numbers and text together, and this, as you can see here, the Sarah Johnson 28 Delhi. Now I want to split them, first name, last name, age and city name in different column. So how will I do that? So that is why we use text to column in Excel. In one click, you can do everything. Like we can remove all these semicolons, columns, and whatever the object are there, unnecessary objects. So we can remove all those things. Okay, we will learn everything step by step. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, column. As you can see here, we have text to column. What is the use of this? Basically, as you can read here, text to column, split a single column of text into the multiple column. For example, you can separate a column of full name into the separate first and last name column. So this is the use of a text to column in simple language. All right, so let's not go too much into the theoretical part. Okay, so for example, you have text in this form, you have data in this form, and now I want to separate the first name, last name, age and city name. How will I do that? For that, what I have today, I'll just simply select the whole column where we have our data. I'll go to the data. As you can see here in the data, click on the text to column. From here, we will select the delimited. Why delimiter? I will let you know. We can use the fixed width also, but for each things there is a some purpose, right? So for now we will understand first the delimited. We'll click on the delimited, just click on the next. From here you have to decide what you want exactly. For example, I have Sarah Johnson's 28 and Delhi, and we have different name and different cities name and their age. Okay, so semicolons, we have semicolon in our uh, text. Yes, there is. So we will select all. So we will select everything, and in other, whatever we don't have here, in other we will select. For example, you can see here there is a one over there, right? So I will put this, whatever we have we will put it. So as you can see in this text box, it got separated everything. All right, now I have to, what I have to do, I'll just click on the next. From here we will select our destination where we want to park everything. All right, so I want first name, last name. Oh, let me drag it here. So I want first name, last name, age and city in this particular column. So I'll select one column only and click on the finish, and it's showing there is already data here. Do you want to replace it? Why it's showing? Because in the top I have given the heading. That is the only things it's showing like that. So I'll just click on OK. So as you can see here, it got separated. All right, so there is one problem over there. As you can see here, the Lily Robinson 24 Hamilton doesn't get separated. Why? Because there is a double quote over here. That is why. So for these kind of things, what we can do, I'll just delete first this everything. Then what I'll do, I'll reselect all the column. Purposely I didn't do earlier, that you can understand in better form, right? So same thing we have already selected. Here what I will do, I'll select none, and then go next, select the destination here, finish it. Okay, so now as you can see here, everything got separated, but there is a double quote still there. Now here what I will do, I'll press Ctrl and H key together. What will happen? Find what we have to find, the double quote. I'll select the double quote. In replace, I'll not select anything. If you want to replace with something else, you can do it. Otherwise you can keep it blank. Then I'll click on the replace all, hit OK, close it. Boom, now our data is proper form. All right. So I hope until here everybody are clear. Let's move on to the fixed width. For example, you have data like random text and number. It's kind of, you can say, a number plate of any car or vehicle, you can say. So what I will do, I want to separate GH and 76 LQ and 9210. But as you can see here, there is some pattern over there, like two texts, then number, again two texts, and then number, right? So for these kind of things, you don't have to do the, like we'll select the columns and go to the text to column. From here we don't have to go to the delimited. We'll just select the fixed width and click on next. From here I can choose the arrow, like just click here. From wherever we want to replace it, we will just click it here like that and go to the next. Now time to select the what do you call the destination. I'll select the destination here. If you have, like text or date, you want to change some format and all these things, you can do that, but right now we don't want to change this. I'll just click on finish and click OK. Boom, everything got separated. All right. Okay, until here I hope everybody are clear. Okay, okay, so for example, sometimes what happen, we have like first name and last name. I want to put them together in particular form, like first name last name together you want it. So you can use concatenate. I know you can use concat, but there is an easy way in Excel only. This thing you can do only in Excel. What I will do, I write Samuel, I write like this, right? Then what I did, I write Howard again. Now let me show you one magic. I will press something, it will fill everything. See, I didn't write anything, right? Let me show you again. I'll delete everything. Boom. Let me change this. For example, this time I will write everything in caps letter. Samuel Howard. Boom. Everything got changed. How? How it's that even possible? Alright. There is a very simple technique we use in Excel. So how did I do that? It is very simple to do, to be honest. What you have to do, the format, whatever format you use in the starting, the same thing it will follow. You just have to press Ctrl and E. See? Boom. Let me change this. For example, I want only what do you call, Samuel. Done. The first name. Now for example, I want to change, like first last name, then I want in the center I want to write D, and then I want to write Samuel. Boom. Now I'm not pressing Ctrl E, I'm just pressing enter. So like that you can do. For example, you want to create some email ID. So how do you do? For basically the email ID become like Samuel Howard 123 @Gmail, Yahoo, or it can be anything. So for example, I want to create some email ID for now. So what I'll do Samuel dot Howard 123 @gmail.com. Now I'll press enter only and then Control E. So we got all the email ID. So like that you can play with the Excel. All right. So this is a very small thing, but it can become very useful sometime. That is why I covered this topic. Okay, so that's it for today. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.